Hey, all customary cleaning windows of the Fylde Coast once again. So vans are just topped up, ready to embark on another whirlwind adventure of cleaning windows for the day. So there you have it. Yeah, so I had a couple of people message me asking about one of the short videos that I did about putting additional jets and valves on the Ova-8 pole that we've done. And I think it'd just be easier to show rather than explain it, so just bear with. Okay, so as you can see there, that's the standard fit with this T-junction here, and then basically what Andy did was stick two additional T-junctions connected in between there by some of this black hose pipe that we've cut short, and then so that's bridging the gap between there and there, which enables 4 jets rather than 2. Now, putting 4 jets onto the pole is not been without its drawbacks. It's topping me van up. It's not been without its drawbacks. I hear some people. I saw some snarky comments in the comment section on the shorts video, saying that, oh well, you know, is that using X amount of water and all this sort of stuff. Probably does use a little bit more water, but not much, because the pressure drops. So it's probably about 2/3 the pressure of water, which means you're probably using an additional maybe 20% of water per sort of rinse. So I don't know. I mean, the thing is it's it's less passes on the glass, equals a more productive day. You're not spending as much time per, excuse me a minute, you're not spending as much time cleaning each house, then overall you're being more effective, more efficient, working quicker, and ultimately making more money, which is what it's all about. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with the rest of my day. Speak to you in a bit.